How to invest $100 on the stock market 2023. 1. Complete guide to investing $100 in the stock market. A step-by-step guide for beginners? In this blog, a masculine tone of voice can be used to guide readers on how to start investing in the stock market with just $100. The article can cover everything from choosing a broker to selecting promissory shares, offering practical tips and strategies to maximize the potential return on investment. 2. Investing $100 in the stock market. How to diversify your portfolio and minimize risks. In this blog, the masculine tone of voice can be used to explain to readers the importance of diversification in the stock market and how this can be applied even with an initial investment of just $100. Strategies for allocating strategic regions would be addressed, how to invest in different sectors and geographic regions, and also the importance of monitoring the market. 3. Investment of $100 in the stock market. Stocks versus ETFs, which is the best option? In this blog, the male tone of voice can be used to compare the advantages and benefits of investing in individual stocks versus ETFs, exchange-traded funds, with an initial investment of $100. The pros and cons of each option would be discussed, taking into account factors such as diversification, costs, liquidity and return potential. 4. Investing $100 in the stock market. How to take advantage of opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. In this blog, the masculine tone of voice can be used to explore the possibilities of investing $100 in the cryptocurrency market. They would be discussed in detail, such as choosing reliable exchanges, analyzing promissory projects, buying and selling strategies, and the importance of understanding the risks involved in this type of investment. 5. Invest $100 in the stock market. How to use the dollar cost calculation technique. In this blog, the male tone of voice can be used to explain to readers the dollar cost averaging strategy and how to apply it with an initial investment of $100 on the stock market. The benefits of this regular investment technique would be detailed, which consists of buying shares or investment funds at different times, regardless of price, to minimize risks and take advantage of market fluctuations in the long term. Thank you, guys.